How to buy Kindle books on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you buy or order Kindle books on Amazon. So let's get started. First, you have to open Amazon app or you can open it on browser. Simply open browser and search for amazon.com. After you logged in with your account on Amazon, at the top in the search bar, you'll have to just type the book title, author or keyword. Now from there, simply you'll have to find out the books that come on Kindle edition. After that, simply select and tap on that. Now from there, simply you can preview it and you can as usual tap and buy that. Simply tap on add to cart. Now from here you can open your cart. For that, tap on cart icon at the top right. Now from here, simply tap and proceed to checkout. And now from here, you'll have to add your delivery address. After that, you may ask for the payment method. Simply confirm like how you want to pay. After you give all of the details and information, you'll be able to make an order from Amazon for the Kindle books. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.